todo tiate no may implement. They don't have the capacity to implement the NADCO report. No karatathi tu mandikite. Matige hota todo ule mako hota atia go scrap taxation on food. Na marogerera taxation on food every day. Kogo matigo iko. As far as employment, matiko hota go guarantee Article 43 of the Constitution on social economic rights. Matike hota ko guarantee food. Todo negetha mahote ko guarantee food ya bururi uyu no ginya ma address the land question.
Na gekorwo niguo mwitambe unjithi muragitindika maundu maya mukimenya matikahanika niki.
Tiate matigehanika nigo ndajana gukwira atiri tha ici jikarite gatagate wa siasa igire different. In the sense, siasa ici my sister haha atwara na mbere ne siasa. No ne siasa shige benefit only a few people of this country. Siasa my sister atwara na mbere haha ne siasa riri ona ithuire tiate ne NADCO report ne ya Raila kana government. It is not a government report. There are our problems. Ado matiraria irio tikaratathi nekyo rimwe statistics share mention oni kiogo gekwa ni direte koigwa maundu ma statistics muno tondu riri ti maundu ma statistics.
The numbers don't lie.
The numbers don't lie. I agree 100%. But the price is not the statistics. It's not the numbers. Numbers ilira for money ado kuhota na gukua ne kuhota. That's how we get numbers. Numbers are found by people being killed on the streets. That's how we get the number. There is a huge price that is being paid. The numbers is okay to existence, but that was not the point.
All right.
Not really. Ishi reports NADCO. It is our demand as young people that we need jobs. It is our demand as young people ati nitule dago korono to ikare hadu tugihota Korea. No to thome na to thome mathomo mega advanced. No to ikare in an environment that is safe, clean na no nigetha ginya thirikari address ati andu no marie irio na mahonere no ginya address mugunda uri atiriri niki kwina andu mena migunda maeka 10,000 na andu aitu ginya central manyihetio magaikara tunyumba twa 50 by 100 na 2 acres no kwina andu mena migunda ma hundreds and thousands of acres. You see, nigetha to address question ya irio the great karaoke ugaga atiriri mekinye hau
kwe mundu gwitwo Nyambura kwina kiuria gia kana hihi kwina disconnect disconnect ya kiria youth marenda na connect
no nyende kuga iho no disconnect no irarehwo ni riri imwe ciacio cirahutia mbeu njithi twambie hau the part ya economic empowerment no twarora thikari iria twinayo ri tukiaria horo wa empowerment ri what is this empowerment ireko ni thirikari ino riria weta mbeu njithi kuria State House mathie photoshoot mahurwo mbica na nduthi ri ndironire report iyo ya mwana kiucio urarehirwo no ucio ni umwe wa aria mari ku mathire makihurwo mbica makirekondo makiaria magicoka kuma haria ri marauma matari na nduthi icio twacoka tukerwo atiriri anga nduthi icio anga cirathia anga gwikwo atia anga ki gwita mundu mugiri ni ati orerwo ucio irari horo wa photoshoot na ni kugeria go counter no ngirora maundu maria thirikari riu tha ici ireka ira play defensive maundu maria ithuĩ turauga ni magathi magabanga kaundu andu makahurwo mbica muthenya ucio koneka riu muthenya ungi ugicoka ri ona ti muthenya uyu ungi hwaini ayuthi acio are mauma ku social media magatrend uria gwathi umuthi maheo bia cigana ona matariu muthenya ucio maheirwo 2,200 magitrend makiheo soda makiheo irio magicoka makinuka so iyo niyo empowerment ire ithuĩ turariria how can we see to the NADCO report twina atongoria aria like aim yao ri ni guthaka PR
no tondu acio mathire mari mbeu njithi ri na wewe mbeu njithi ukiaria ri kamurarie na
hapana acio ni andu of course magithii mathiete magiciria atiriri marathii kaimeritwo marathii gwika atia wo ngirwo ni urathi kuneyo nduthi nduguthie uragibatara nduthi ya guthukuma magana maku 5 muthenya so iyo niyo empowerment ira turario horo wayo undu ucio ngiri ni by the ona undu uria ingienda kuga horo wa empowerment area mutongoria wa bururi uria twinake areka muno ni ku empower goons agacigurira miti ya macembe getha moke matuhure ithuĩ twĩ opposition.
Tareke tuigaranie maundu haha Nyambura, wambiriirie na kuga ati hena disconnect gatagati ka mbeu njithi na aria maikangitie matuku na tugiuria uguo ndikuragia kana ni amwena wa thirikari kana ni amwena wa mung'ethaniro kwa muhiano muthenya wa muthiri tondu ona nduri uraumukania wega kana wi mwena wa mung'ethaniro no ni ndiraigua ukiaria.
No, me am for opposition.
All right, ni wega ni kumukania uguo. So wewe na disconnect na former deputy president?
Hapana, tondu turaina ruthiomi rumwe.
Nie ndenayo.
Personally kwiragwo atiriri an enemy of your enemy is your friend. So hindi ria yuthi mokire makianjia kuga horo wa one term ri nake mutongoria munini wa president agioka nake akianjia kuga one term ri uguo ni kuonania atiriri aimu itu ri ni ya kuingata ki mutongoria ore wiho tha ici koguo ri ni ngigia na disconnect ate na deputy president Rigathi wa Gachagua na turaina ruthiomi rumwe na ni arandeithia kuingata mundu uria ndirenda kuingata. Why should I have that? And then tukirikia horo wa the NADCO report, we are here talking about corruption. It is one of the main points iria cihutĩtio hau. How can you address issue ya corruption when you are the most corrupt president? Tita riu nita unjiria atiriri njagirwo nyambe ndihure iboko nigetha riu nginyire ma MPs nigetha nginyire ma senators nigetha he is the most corrupt person. Kuringana na maundu like there is even tukiario horo let's talk about agricultural sector sindio hena distribution ya fertilizer yagerirwo gukorwo a fully devolved, but what is happening with our government? Matirenda disbursement ya fertilizer ikorwo a devolved, matirenda gutigira the county governments because they are the main beneficiaries oneo marathaka should deals na fertilizer eno. So how can we talk about that? Is one of the many cases idia koretwo involved directly.
Maybe there is a report area regular rifa kuri Nyambura ya kuga ati president no tukiuga ati ni corrupt kana ni most corrupt and no tuge ni report fulani yaumite.
Of course uria wa DCS ona ni okire TV ni na akiuga scandal yari ho ya fertilizer ya kuruhanitio na president wito directly.
Alright, kogo hati
ucio adisi no augire atiriri nigetha akinye gutindikwo ni thirikari ikinye hau uhoro wa fertilizer ri si alisema hapo kwa TV na akapeana hiyo report yenye unauliza.
Alright,
he is the most corrupt person.
Leke tobe akoro hati na report ri tutikambe gutua cira ucio tondu no nginya hako na report ya kuonania ati ni wikitwo thuthuria wa kuonania niwe niguo tutigekore twi mathina-ini heka undu kwenda kuga Betty
on the disconnect ni hauma handu kumuritie is there a disconnect between andu ya maikaikitie tumiaka na ithui twi mbeu njithi. Wa mbere nie ni njugaga na ni njugire ha ndiraria ta anyone like ndiraria ta muyuthi. We must all agree that gukorwo wi muyuthi is not a career and is not an added advantage despite being a youth wewe mu Kenya number one. So tutige kuona ta tuikarite hadu ka herere-ini or something tuika tondu ithuĩ tũrĩ mbeũ njithi. That disconnect ĩrĩa ĩgĩaga is only that. Na the reason Nyambura arauga we ndarĩ na disconnect na andũ aya mena gũkũ rũgongo nĩ tondũ we nĩ ambirie akĩrealize na ndathiaga kũrĩa athiaga tondũ nĩ mũmbeũ njithi, athiaga tondũ nĩ Mũkenya. Nona niĩ njikarĩte harĩa ndĩ, the only disconnect I can have ni shengiria ni gwaria nerea umekwaria, but unaoka on paper mimi niko mbele sana kualiko, but tukeyeheria tuitambe ujithi sisi ni youth tunataka vitu zetu ziletwe on a silver platter. Like there was a joke online ya youth uria Gen Z agiriza inwira ati we ndoi kuguthukirwo na ni aguthukirwo, so for that reason da saineire kindu ta kiu gya kuguthukirwo. You see, we must first of all agree on ithui kuma at the comfort zone we are and fight for these spaces. Right. On NADCO report, one of
on that joke president he hindere gite kuga ate mbeu njithi ni kurerwo mareretwo uru. Are you in one way agreeing?
No, I've not said anything about upbringing ya mbeu njithi. Nie ndauga uria tuikaraga ithui. Unaona hata onongerero wega ucoke umire unyite thimu yaku, it's a whole different world. Nyumete nie gwitu Ndunduri and me on social media, in fact ngoragwo ndi two different people. Mundu uria mamioi, mundu uria andu aitura maririre na andu akanitha, and then there is this other person wokire akimenya no nyandamane na i gatiba-ini. Gatiba irauga ni nie ndina right iria nene, the right belongs to the people. So there is two different things. Na nie ndingira muciari ndarerire wega because I'm a parent and I know how hard it is, especially on these days ureri-ini. On NADCO report, o ikigeria inclusivity ni gwatuikire kuthondekwo leagues, youth leagues on political whatever. Now I am on the political wings. Na youth leagues ishire, they are one of the vocal. Tariu ya DCP, everybody knows there exists a youth league kwa DCP. Todriu ni maumirite na hinya. It is part of the NADCO report. It was on the reforms about youth leagues. So me I still insist, tunaenda lakini tunaenda pole pole. No digiuga ni to stagnate, ni turathi, something is happening. We only now need to come together on ithuĩ twita youth to realize nigetha rucio ndihoko ri gwika atia. Tondu tanjira mundu wa kuonire ringi ukirumana kana ugiikia ihiga kana ugikondu ni agakwihoka. It will, but it will take time. Ndiwo na ithuĩ twambie twihokwo ati ithuĩ tutirenda ũũ na tuoka peacefully. Tariu nie ni ndaumirite na ngauga tutikwenda OCS. I went peacefully. I never banned. I had people. Tondu wina reasons iria urauga for reasons 1 2 3 no na ndoya maka reason nawe for these reasons.
No ko hihi wakuaga meciria ma muteti muna.
Asha. Ona diekire siasa. It was about femicide na kinaki.
Alright. Wakiri. Leke tuigirire uhoro uyu kigeri-ini kingi. Na kiumia githiru no kurari na uhoro wigie utamburukia wa mahinya. Kigomano kiria kirathia na mbere kuria Homa Bay. To what extent youth marakuruhanirio maundu-ini ma kigomano kiu?
Ona youth no marefanga gwika a different one, a parallel devolution or co in the western region through organization itagwo Siasa Place. Todo in actual sense no go my sister kugeragia ku introduce ni ate maundu maingi maria matwikite devolved devolved in actual sense. Todo na nikio ni ginya tugaga maita mothe na no ginyanya bejo from the previous question together ginya how you get riri ginya young people tiate ne me separated na andu. Todo ginya young people magirwa marwe ginya mahikinye handu ma attain kiria mararwirira, which are constitutional demands. Mundu wothe ni ako benefit in the process. Kogo tiate turauga ni ate a struggle for young people. Ni ate ne young people me in the front line. Tiate ne disconnect area hori no area guga ya politics. Na nima nedira agree na my sister maundu ni marasonga mbele. But the only thing that we must integrate ni marasonga mbele for the benefit of who?
In your opinion?
For the minority of the people.
Minority ni ya?
Minority ni minority ya dwara matwekete neta ka elite kanini karathio na mbele na loot resources in the name of development. Ugoka fake development, and in the process of that fake development ugoka a whole looting process. No. Now again, there is also a group of people in this country, a minority rich of this country. Area gotoga kwao gotirauma from hard work. Kuruma from co-extract kiria ndo agimenakyo. So for sure, ishi steps ila mekone this government and all the governments that have been ne steps irathie, but they are going not in the defense of the majority of the Kenyan people, irathie in the benefit of the minority of the Kenyan people. Na nikio ginya young people makiaririria question ya devolution. Na thaishi ginya uria tukwaragia horo wa uria tuko engage in politics. Young people to ginya mathie kurugama in these high positions. Ne mathie marugame in the constituency level. and in the county assembly. Tondo county assembly niyo ina most devolved functions. Ogirora katiba ito the fourth schedule. Urore maundu maria makoragwo me devolved kuri county assembly. Maundu ta water, sanitation, agriculture, tourism and culture na maundu ta macio, food. Ishi maundu basic maria ma affectaga everyday human being ne devolved functions. But in actual sense, todo matira benefit majority of the Kenyan people. I don't know feel the impact of devolution. Na for sure, Kenya young people, na government, if ata ile gukoro deliberate, ko interact na ado young. Todo tiate matira menya ne dwe maroga ne mara live realities ici cia gukoro atiriri. Wonete muciari waku age struggle guthomithia. Ni urekirie cukuru, muciari waku ndaumite family itogete. In fact, aciari aingi marilayagira ciana ciao. Shireke shukuru nigetha ima support. No riu ni urekirie shukuru nduri na means cia survival. Ukire Nairobi u struggle ile ginya wiha kwigutwika muici. Kana ukuria uri you've struggled a lot ni uremirwo ni go survive. No na kogo ri ukiuga ni ucoke mucio ndungihota. Na devolution egiruta wira. Egiruta wira ria yagirire kuruta wira. Ginya andu matigetindaga magioka Nairobi.
Alright.
To Nairobi netwikite overpopulated. Thaisha andu maraikara tunyumba tuigano because devolution is not working. Todo ginya housing ne devolved.
Alright.
Not all county governments itiranyita what is devolution. Ginya dware turacagura thaici ta county assembly matiranyita roles ciao. Mara cia roles ciao ne guthie ko debate na kuheana mabasari na gwikira kiria cia fara maram na andu enda.
Alright.
But those are not their roles. Roles ciao ira meet kuria andu mari. No muthe toko debate aga mucemanio cio ikoragwo iyo ta TV-ini ginya andu makoria atiriri MCA wanyu ne ikaraga kuu kwanyu kane athamire wagira agebira ni athamire
angikone aruta wira hena thina wa guthama
ndagathame tondu riu ri agithama niki ndakeo hau nigetha kiroko agokira karora wira uria urathie na mbere after ile gukona so many councils within his ward ira deal na different issues.
All right.
No county government shitoshiwe what is that work. So maybe we also have a responsibility ya ko interact with ya ginya MCA maya maracaguro na constitutional rules.
Thank you. Niguo twambe tuikerie Nyambura kiumia githiru toguo ngugwetete ni kwari na muthenya wa International Youth Day. Ni miario ya muthemba uriku yari kuo hihi ya kugeria kurehe ihonie cia maundu maria marahutia mbeu njithi muthenya ta ucio uguo.
Riu Oscar miario ni turaria o muthenya ni turaria. Last week ni kwaririo tukirongeria kurwira ihoto cia mbeu njithi lakini we are coming back to the same point yati atiriri no turera maundu maya turaria. We are coming back to the NADCO report yati atiriri. First of all, committee ino era formirori. Why do we I see the NADCO the committee as some kind of a cash cow tondu ariri turafatara mwaka mugima tondu twero committee igeka reporting March 2026. Why do we need a whole year ya kugatiriri family ishiri cia andu aria genzi aria moragitwo ri ma compensate? Can't we just we actually have the statistics as a country? Ona ndakigwa mohoro magithomo ni muramenya ginya ni the number of youth aria makwite. Why do we need a whole year nigetha riu tuthiage tugathie sittings tugathie ki andu acio mara o magithio sitting ni mararihwo? Why do we need a whole year ya kugatiriri besha ni irekererio on time to the counties? Why do we need a whole year ya kugeria ati ni kunina turani na corruption kwa zondo wa mbere ona corruption ndingithira twina thirikari ino twinayo haha thaici?
But corruption ni koretwo kuo ginya thirikari ingi.
Yes.
Hihi tugicokereria ni ugutwira ni atia kungithie ikorwo ati ringi thirikari ingi uka no ikorwo igithira. No mukunjitikiria twambe tuikirie oro hanini kwina maundu maingi muno ma gukorwo tukiaririria uhoro ucio wigie compensation no tugukorwo tukigwa maoni ma wakiri ona ma mundu gwitwo Betty na maundu mangi maingi ona uteti uria ubangitwo wa 2027 maundu ni ohoro tucoke ni tugucokereria na maundu macio mangi ndagikorwo ngigweta ndugathie kuraya.
so handy.
Get Africa's best entertainment anytime, anywhere, and now for even less.
Here's what we're here for, duh.
With DSTV Stream and Safaricom Home Fiber.
Wow.
Just dial *4. Select your Safaricom Home Fiber and the DSTV Stream package you want. Then select your home fiber plan, confirm payment, pay using your M-Pesa PIN, and click on the link received to sign in to your new DSTV Stream account.
Simple.
Then enjoy the best movies, series, and sport in Africa at its best price ever. Only with DSTV Stream and Safaricom Home Fiber. T's and C's apply.
Ngoro yakwa nĩ gũkwambararia ĩkũgocaga hingo ciothe we wanja ũgĩtũma nduĩke mũira wa ũtonga waku nĩ thengio ona ngũhĩtĩirie no ũthiaga na mbere na kũndathima na nĩkĩo ndoiga ngoro yakwa ĩgũtũũre thererũkĩte rwa ngoro yakwa ruthondeketwo rutuike wira kuri andu aria marakũhũrĩra riria marakũhũrĩra magathikĩrĩria mawĩko maria Ngai agwĩkĩire
kwĩgwatĩra Skiza Tune ngoro yakwa hihinya *811 *487# wĩgwatĩra Skiza Tune ngoro yakwa tarũga thimũ-inĩ yaku ũmũthĩ ũkeni arĩa othe marakũhũrĩra thimũ *811 *487.
Makofi ya the world champion baby. Na hii ni makofi ya Morphix, which absorbs the liquid 3 times faster na haiwezi leak even in 50 different movements. Renewed Morphix, ultimate quality.
People Daily, Kenya's trusted newspaper, is making history as the first daily to go fully digital. By transitioning the PD News app, we are delivering like as in a completely new. It's news, day, and the future. No